Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss out any tech tips, tutorials or everything about the blockchain. Today we are going to deep dive into one of the most essential topic in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain, that is crypto wallet. So before stepping into the crypto wallet, let's see what our traditional wallets are. Our traditional wallets are basically meant to hold some values. It can be fiat currency value, it can be rupees or dollars. So these wallets are technically meant to hold some value. Likewise, our crypto wallet is also an essential tool that allows us to interact with our cryptocurrency. But here is the thing, unlike traditional wallets that hold cash, crypto wallets don't actually hold any value or coin physically. Instead, they store the public and private keys, which are digital keys that allow us to access and manage our crypto assets on the blockchain. So whatever the assets or the cryptocurrency that we have, that will be stored on the blockchain. They won't be directly present in our wallet, but these wallets allow us to manage that cryptocurrencies on the blockchain, and that managing is done through these two keys. One is the public key, another one is a private key. So crypto wallet stores the public and the private keys. They don't actually stores the actual cryptocurrency, physical cryptocurrencies in them. It is used to manage your cryptocurrency on the blockchain through these two keys. So let us see a brief idea about what is a private key and a public key. We'll make a dedicated video on this. Or starters, let's see what are they in brief. You can think of a private key as your internet banking password or your UPI pin. If you lose this password or give it to someone, anyone can make a transaction from your account to other account. Means your cryptocurrency, you can lose your cryptocurrency if you share your password. So this is private key. And public key, you can think of it as a your bank account number. Private key is used to send the cryptocurrencies, and whereas public key is used to receive the cryptocurrency. So as it mentions, private key should not be shared with anyone. It should be kept publicly. If you share this private key with anyone, they can access to your currencies, I mean cryptocurrencies. So you might lose everything whatever you have. So you should never ever share your private key with anyone. And public key, you have to share it, like to receive any amount of money or the cryptocurrencies that you need. You have to share your public key. Suppose there is your friend X, and he wants to send you some money in terms of cryptocurrency. So you will be sharing your public key to him. He will be sharing that cryptocurrency on your public key, through your public key. So now let us see the differences or commonality between the traditional banks and blockchain wallets. Traditional banks have their own applications, or we have the phone pay and other third party applications to support the bank for making transactions and all. Likewise, in the blockchain we have crypto wallets. To access these wallets in the traditional banks, we use our credential, login credential, the pin or anything, like it will be the password or the your UPI pin to make the transaction and all whatever you want to do. In blockchain we have the private keys, so we will never share this private key with our anyone. Should not share, not meant to share. Think of it like you are sharing your UPI pin or your login credentials of your bank application with someone. You won't be sharing it with someone, right? So this is same way. You should not share your private key with anyone. Like bank accounts, we use our bank accounts to get the money from others. Like if someone wants to send some money to us, or we want someone to send us money, what we will do is we will share our bank account to them so they can send the amount to us. So sharing the bank account will not affect any way. Like they cannot take our money from us. So likewise, we have the public key. We can share the public key through which the sender can send the cryptocurrencies to our wallet. Just holding the public key cannot affect, like they cannot do any damage or take your cryptos from your wallet. But if they have your private key, then it's boom. You will lose all your money. So never ever share your private key with anyone. In traditional system, banks are the one who records the transaction, whatever is going on, like you are sending some money to someone or someone is sending money to you. In this, blockchain is the one on which the entire transaction is getting recorded. And this transaction, the sending of the cryptocurrency is done by the private key and receiving is done by the public key. As I said, our blockchain crypto wallets don't store the physical money or the value like our normal wallets does. Like our normal wallets hold some value like real money in them. But the crypto wallets just holds this key, public key and a private key. So how does these wallet supports us? In my previous video, I have explained you the concept of UTXOs. I'll provide the link in the description. Please do watch that. That will that will be a very helpful to understand this topic. So please go and watch that video first. What like I've explained what is an UTXO and how does they work. So our blockchain stores all the UTXOs that belong to us. So what this wallet will do is this will process the entire UTXOs that are present in our name and reflect that the sum of all that value or UTXO in our account. So if you see here 0.21225 5 plus 2 7 8 8.2, so it will be 8.2 BTCs. This will be reflected in our wallet. So it is the duty of the crypto wallet to analyze all the UTXOs that are present with your private key and reflect them in your wallet. You can make the transactions using these UTXOs from your wallet, and that transaction is done by the private key, and receiving of the money is done by the public key. So all the UTXOs, Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency, that those are not exactly which are stored in your wallet. The UTXOs are the one which are stored. So these UTXOs will be present on the blockchain, not on your wallets. So the sum of this will be reflected. Wallet will process these UTXOs and show in your wallet. And to make any transaction, you will use the same wallet with your private key. With your this private key, you will make the transaction and send some of the unspent transactions, whatever the UTXOs that are with you. You can send it to anyone else. So we can say that we interact with our wallet and our wallet interact with the blockchain to make any transaction happens. It might be receiving the cryptocurrencies or sending the cryptocurrencies. So let us see how the sending and receiving of the currencies are done. First, let us see how we send the cryptocurrencies to other. Let's say you want to send some bitcoins to your friend, say 2 bitcoins. First, what you will do is you will open your wallet with your credentials, whatever, and enter the recipient's public address, public key, and the amount that you want to send. Along with this, with your private key, you will sign this transaction with your private key, which implies that you are the rightful owner of these 2 bitcoins to send it. After this, the amount will be credited to your friend. So whenever you want to send something, some coins or it might be any cryptocurrency to someone, you have to sign it with your private key. Remember, with your private key. That's the reason we should never share our private key with anyone. This is used to send the money to access your wallet that represents that you are rightful owner of that cryptocurrency on the blockchain. So you will sign with this your private key and publish it to the blockchain, and blockchain will record that transaction under your friend's name. Say your friend name is X. For sending the cryptocurrency, there is not much that we have to do. The sender will have our uh, public key, and he will initiate the transaction by signing the transaction with his private key, and he will publish that transaction to the blockchain. And our wallet, it will automatically take that transaction or UTXO, whatever is being published to blockchain, and update our balance. Say before our balance was 2 BTCs, and our friend have sent us 1.2 BTCs to us, and he have signed with his private key and published to the blockchain. Then our wallet will interact with the blockchain and update this 2 BTCs to 3.2 BTCs. There is nothing much we need to do while receiving. But remember, never ever share your private key. Now let us see what are the crypto wallets, that types of crypto wallets that are available for us. One is the software wallet, another one is a hardware wallet. Software wallets are usually the apps or the software that you can download on your computer or smartphone. And these comes in a three form. One is a mobile wallet, another one is desktop wallet, another one is a web wallet. For the mobile version, we have like Trust Wallets and MetaMask, and desktop for we have Extos and Electrum, and for the web wallets we have the blockchain wallet and the Coinbase. You can use any of these wallets for the software. I mean, if you want to use a software wallet, you can use any of these modes. These software wallets are super convenient, especially for the people who want quick access to their cryptos, but they are always vulnerable to hacking since they are connected to the internet. These software wallets always come with a risk of getting hacked, as these are always hosted on the internet, so it is more likely to get hacked. Now, if you are looking for the higher level of security, the hardware wallets are the best for that. Hardware wallets are like physical devices like USB sticks that you can plug in and plug out to use whenever you want. And this stores the private and public key. Some examples of the hardware wallets are Ledger Nano S and Trezor. As these wallets are offline, they are very less likely to be get hacked, and these are going to store your public and private key offline. So as these are not connected to internet, they are more secure when compared to the software wallets. Let's quickly look on these two terms. One is what is a hot wallet and what is a cold wallet. Hot wallets are the wallets that are connected to the internet, and the most of the software wallets falls under this category. They are easy to use but comes with a more risk due to online exposure. Cold wallets are the wallets that are not connected to internet. They are offline wallets, most likely like a offline wallets. These are much safer and ideal for the storing larger amount of cryptos for a long period. As they are not constantly connected to internet, they are more secure to use. That's it for this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.